CSIR, the witness to India's progress. The Council of Scientific and Industrial Research has been continuously writing the story of India's progress since 1942. With 38 laboratories, CSIR has been an important partner to India's progress. CSIR's Institute of Himalayan Bioresources Technology is situated in Palampur, हिमाचल प्रदेश।
हमारा संस्थान बड़ा यूनिक है क्योंकि ये वेस्टर्न हिमालयाज में लोकेटेड है। जैव विविधता बड़ी विशिष्ट यहाँ पे पाई जाती है। हम उनको बड़े ध्यानपूर्वक अध्ययन करते हैं। हम ये देखते हैं कि किस संपदा से जनमानस तक क्या फ़ायदा हम पहुँचा सकते हैं।
CSIR IHBT has made unprecedented contributions to the country in the area of technology. The beautiful Kangra Valley, Kangra tea is very famous. But the leaves of this tea are of a lower grade. The institute researched and after processing invented the catechin powder. Catechin is an antioxidant and its demand is very high in the world of medicines. The CSIR IHBT is situated at a height of 4,300 meters. A plant potentilla available at this high altitude was used to make an enzyme named superoxide dismutase. This enzyme is extensively used in the food, pharma and cosmetic industries. It is this center that developed a variety of expensive flowers and also helped to enhance their quality. New varieties of lilium and lavender were developed. A variety of rose named Jwala was developed for the plains, and himrose was developed for the mountainous areas. Besides this, many varieties of decorative flowers are also being developed. A plant named stevia, which is a safe alternative for sugar, is available in Brazil and Paraguay. Stevia leaves have been processed. A crop that can be grown in India has been developed using tissue culture. A machinery for making natural sweetener from stevia leaves is also available in the institute. Dubbed as green gold, bamboo farming has also been given new horizons by the institute, and a number of its productive varieties have been distributed to various states. A popular food of Kangra Valley is Kangri Dham. Research has been conducted on the spices used in this, and the institute has been able to develop a unique technology to keep it safe for up to 8 months without any preservatives. The pride of Himachal is its apples. By developing a virus-free breed of apples, the institute has been able to solve a very big problem for the farmers and businessmen. Science should benefit everyone. With this aim, CSIR IHBT has made its various technologies easily available to each and everyone. On one hand, where businessmen are using technology transfer to give their businesses a new lease. On the other hand, it is also creating new opportunities for employment. Success is achieved through hard work and able leadership. India's Science and Technology Minister, Dr. Harshvardhan's guidance has always been able to this institute. His personal interest in science has given him a close insight into the activities of this institute. Dr. Harshvardhan has done a deep study of every technology and has received a lot of information from the scientists. In addition to providing new facilities to the institute, he has closely assessed every technology. Meeting successful businessmen and industrialists, a new avenues were found to take technology to the larger population. Able leadership and precise guidance are taking CSIR to new and greater heights.
CSIR, a real partner, regularly coming up with new invention, brings health and progress in life. New industries being established. IIR